came with my brother?
I was there.
Oh, what are you?
I just let him sit on the wheelchair in the hospital.
Wait,
look at you, Mom.
you're just taking a tour?
Yeah.
Oh,
I push him around.
I shouldn't be there.
Yeah.
It'll be more fun.
See?
Oh, okay. It was like I have a... Okay, my chest just hurt for a minute.
Your mother.
Why? Is he crying?
I think she was crying or something.
Ah, it's me. I was peeking behind.
That's right.
Look. See, I'm hiding.
Yeah, with a pillow.
And peekaboo, I see you. I have no legs. I'm hiding. And peekaboo, I see you. I'm hiding. And peekaboo, I see you.
Your brother was lying down.
I'm hiding. Peekaboo, I see you. Oh.
You're a doll. Talking doll. You can talk. Family picture again.
Oh, look at my teddy bear I missed.
So big, right?
It's still here?
Yeah, I guess we might have put it somewhere safe.
Oh no!
Forget about it later.
Okay. Let's watch from here. Hello. Hello, you're taking a picture with me. Look at I'm squished in behind of you. Squished. Oh my god, my brother's so cute in this. Look at my brother. It's like, oh my god. This one actually covers your mouth, Papa. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at my brother. I was like,
Putting your head between.
smiling. It was like our head is attached to one of us.
Yes. I'll just sit on the chair.
It's our old bed. It's our old bed.
Yeah. Look at my hair.
What? I didn't see it.
Okay, you sit on the chair.
Wait. No. I having peekaboo like that.
No.
You want peekaboo? Yes. I'm hiding and peekaboo, I see you.
Sit on the chair.
I'm hiding. Peekaboo, I see you. Go back to the future. Let's go back to the future. Can I try? Can I try to?
Sit on the chair.
Sleep on the chair?
Sit on the chair. Yeah, like that.
Go back. See, look it. I hide it.
He's trying to do like that.
I hide it. Peekaboo. I see you. Let's play.
Now you can move on.
By yourself. I'm hiding. Peekaboo, I see you.
Now skip to the family photos.
Okay. Family.
No, there.
Look at
From
this.
here.
Just right.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Look at that.
Look at my brother's hairstyle.
Nice photo. Wow, it's a nice photo. Wow. See?
Just touching your cheeks together. Come on, let's touch our cheeks. It's like you're touching your cheeks together.
Brother and I. Wow.
Oh,
Taking a selfie with your brother.
that's so nice. Oh,
Ice cream.
oh, my brother's just freaking out right now. What? Nail polish? Really? Really? I'm not allowed to put on nail polish right now. Papa, I'm only allowed to put nail polish on my feet, right? Because Miss cannot see it, right?
That's right.
It
You always put on your school shoes, right?
Yeah.
Look at your brother.
Oh my gosh!
You remember? We used to take one, right?
Oh yeah! We'll take a walk some other time.
Okay, sure.
And have a holiday, you know. Oh! Oh! My star is still here. That's cool. Wait, more star. I don't want anymore.
It's gone. You have already washed it.
Oh wait, just a moment. Are you talking about this?
You're taking breath. Take a breath.
Yeah? Taking bath. Doop, doop. This is a nice one. Okay. Oh, no.
Now dressed up.
Oh, there's one more. No, not this one. Look at my face.
Smiling.
I don't like this one. What are you doing here? What? I never seen this one before. This one, all of these.
It's your brother's toys.
I never seen this one and this one. Wow!
A lot of toys.
Did they put?
I think your mother put it somewhere safe.
Oh, I know where it is.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
First. Oh, okay, Peppa Pig. Okay. I'm gonna go back. Go back. Now.
Oh, you will see a beaches here.
Is this the same one as the other one?
Your grandpa and I.
Oh wait, a shoe!
Yeah, a shoe house.
I want to go inside. I wish it there. I wish it was there.
We'll go sometime.
I will watch.
Someday. Click it. Click it.
Click
watch it.
You want the shoe?
Shoe house.
Okay.
It's
Here's the
I
shoe.
took a picture. Grandpa was there.
I want to go inside the shoe.
Shoe house.
See? You want to be there too? We'll go inside.
We'll go someday, okay?
Okay. When it's raining.
Yeah. Click it.
We'll go some exploring there.
That's right.
Let's see what else there. Should we go by bike?
No, we have to go by aeroplane. It's far away from here.
Oh, I don't think my brother can. So we'll all sleep. My brother and I will sleep.
Yeah.
So I never been to an airplane before.
Yeah,
We'll go somewhere.
yeah,
We'll go
someday.
sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay, Mother, you watch. I'm getting tired.
Shall I help you? You can even do it like this. You don't have to click it. Just move this one. Like this, like this. Next, like this. See? See the ocean.
I want to go to the beach, but oh, I can sit on them. I'm pretending that I'm sitting.
See, that's what.
I'm pretending that I'm sitting. But give me the eye, man. Oh my, who's that grandpa?
This one is grandpa.
No,
This one
I'm
is a friend.
friend grandpa.
He's also sick. Let me sit with you, okay?